welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited because I get to share with you some flip throughs of these two beauties here, and I cannot wait to get started. But before we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content if you are not already, and if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here with me today. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. So if you're not familiar with these stickers, I picked it up from Michael's. I did not pick this up from Walmart. Disregard that statement. And they retail at $49.99. You get 100 sticker sheets. They come in this like bifold sticker thing with a rubber band to kind of keep it stored securely in there. And they had, the two that they had at Michael's were the I Heart stickers, and then they're both I Heart stickers, I guess, but one is Brights and one's Pastels, and there's a lot of stickers in them. So Michael's is the only place I believe that these are going to be, but don't quote me on that. You never know. Sometimes they'll release them at Michael's, and then a few months later you'll start seeing them other places, and then I also think they'll be on the Happy Planner website. But I did pick it up at Michael's. I used a coupon, and so I did save 40% off of that $49, so it ended up being like $30. For the amount of stickers that you get, there's no doubt that this is extremely worth it. And for any of you new planner babes who are just starting your sticker collection, I feel like these are the best place to start because they give you so much in them. All right, so let's start with this side first. There is kind of a sea theme. You're really pretty. Never stop making wishes. And it is a gloss finish, not a matte finish. And you get 2 sheets a lot of times of the same theme. Magic is something you make. So for some, you might be like, oh, well, I really don't want 2 of the same page. But oftentimes, you'll get 2 of the same page and you'll appreciate it, because if you're doing like a themed spread in some capacity, you have matching stickers. That's how I feel anyways. So these are great. These are a matte, so you can write over the top of these. Love them. They have like this little star pattern in them. Diamonds. And these are gloss. These are some banner, these are really great because you can put these on the margins of your planner, and they decorate up really cute, or at the top. And then these are them again, but with different shapes. And obviously, they're sized for different size planners, and they're sized for different size things, but nothing really, these are all just for whatever you want to use them for. So don't feel like you have to, have them in any particular order. The rainbows are super cute. Super cute rainbows. You have this nice little floral theme. That's really cute. Super cute. Floral theme there. So these are all glossy. Can't really write on them, but they're great for... I love the smaller ones because they don't take up too much space, but on the sides, the bigger ones are really pretty. Love. Love, love, love. I love these. Work hard, be nice, get it done. These are great for the sides of your planner. Love these. And you could really fill a whole week with them too, like a day. Happy life. Happiness blooms from within. Get it done. Hello times. Good times, hello. Radiate positive vibes. Get your happy on. Choose to shine. I love, this is really can Megan read? These flip throughs are always a question of that. Kind people are my kind of people. Oh, what fun. See the possibility, not the problem. Look on the bright side. Hooray for today. These are just love. I love the color theme. I love how pretty they are. Just love them. Love, love, love. These are pretty. So, and these are great just for filling your planner up with, you might want a little bit of decor on them, but not want to overly fill them. So you kind of get to have really functional planning, I guess. I also like this if you have something super important, you can put it on a day and then Lots of these. Focus on you. Look at these. These are so cute. Love. Love. These are nice with like 3 little boxes. Rainbows, and you have this like check pattern down there. Picnic basket is what it reminds me of. Some check marks. Some more check marks. Some more big boxes. And then that's it for that side. Okay. That's like one side, guys. One side. That's all that was. There's still more. Then you have these great little circles, which are super cute. Some great lined ones. So you can, these are also great for the dashboard layout. So you can definitely use those. Look at all these. Today's the day. Guys, I have so many stickers in my life right now. I have so many. Look on the bright side. There's so much to celebrate. See the possibility, not the problem. Then some great shopping stickers, shopping lists, laundry. You get a lot of icons on this side. Laundry, laundry. You do laundry for years. You have so many laundry stickers, you will never run out. What, where, and when. I love this. Doctor's appointment. Love that. Even though I very rarely go to the doctor. Chores, first day, clean house, trash day. Oh my gosh. Again, can Megan read? These are the questions we ask ourselves. These little banners, which are super cute. Love them. Weekend, hooray, current mood. Color your world with kindness. So cute. Now, a lot of these, like, you're going to see some duplicates because they obviously, like, you know, these are pulling from other things that you might have similar stickers to. But like I said, if you are new to planning, these are a great place to start. And then these, you can't quite see them. I'm going to pull one up kind of so you can see it, but it's actually like a teardrop shape. So that's nice if you have like a, you know, a certain way that you're tracking things or writing things. Those are super nice. These are all little triangles, which are great. I like to use these for check marks inside my planner if I'm looking for something specific. These are super great. But it's a whole page of them. So it looks like a nothing page, but it's a whole page of little triangle check marks. Habit trackers. Love this because this gives you 5 weeks in each day of the week. So this is super cute. Love this. Tiny but cute. Love it. And then obviously they have the weeks as well. So that's really fun. Super cute. Boss babe. Love. Personal development, get social, work on it, check it off, deadline, task list, goal. Love all this. Pay bill on, bill pay, love that. I need to do some plan with me for my bill pays. Love it, love it. Love, look at these. These are so fun. Look at those. And then you get some letters at the, we're starting to get to the end here. Letters, these are letters. You can't see with the rainbow, but they're letters. They're rainbow letters. More rainbow letters. More rainbow letters. And more rainbow letters. I wonder if I missed anything back here because I thought it was, no, I think that's the last page. Yeah, okay. All right, so that is this one. That's the pastels. Now what you're going to see is they're very similar. Oops, I'm going to put this in between. I don't know that I really need that, but they're very similar in themes. Just one is brights and one is not. So you have on this side, you have, this is a glossy sticker, floral sticker. This is a matte. These are glossy. This is a matte. So you kind of get a little bit of both in that sense. I mean, they are different. Don't get me wrong. They're different. But if you're trying to choose between the two, it's just going to kind of depend of what you like better. If you're more pastel, if you're more bright. But you do get a little bit of a few different things in them. So they're not exactly the same. Like, it's not duplicates. And one of the stickers came off. So that's fun. You get little music notes. Hello. Little phones. Some more of those phones. Just like little emoji type, little icons. There we go. Icons, not emojis. Icons. These were gloss. This is matte. These are gloss. This is matte. Food. You can color these. Matte finish. Matte finish. Gloss finish. Matte finish. Super. The blender, super cute. In a crock pot or whatever, Instapot, whatever you want it to be, rice cooker, I don't know. Then you get a whole page of little discs, icon discs that are like matte finish, so you can color them. You get some animals. I love animals with some nice animals. I'm probably going to use these for school projects because I'm homeschooling, so that's going to be super exciting. Some more animals. Okay, these I love. Buy food, little dog groomer thing, meds. Oh my gosh, I am so in love with them. It's unbelievable. You have some more stickers here for like your, awesome stickers of just like full box, classic size. I'm a sticker collector for sure. I love stickers. I don't have them all, but I have a lot. And you can definitely see the bright color in them. Like these are much brighter than the other ones in a good way. Just kind of depends on what you like best. I love colors. I love rainbow. I do. I don't know that I love my planner being rainbow, although I have a rainbow one, but like because, you might want to do a muted pastel tone, and so you might not necessarily want it to be like that, but rainbow, love, love, love. Guys, there's so many stickers in this sticker. There's so many stickers. So many. Okay, again, that is just one side. Like, what a value. I'm so glad they brought these back. All right. Last year, we drove like 3 hours to get the Joanne one from a Joann's. It was such a fun day. We had such a fun day that day. The whole fam went. It was such a great day. Laundry stickers. Laundry stickers. Love these. Weekly meal prep. Okay, guys, this has been a topic of conversation in our life for a couple weeks because we were really good about it at the start of the year and we really fell off the bandwagon. All right, chores, trash day, clean house. Chores, trash day, clean house. Again, you're getting 2 pages worth today. You have some more of these great banners. Banners. Rainbows. Oh my gosh, I love those. Lots of color. This is very colorful. Be a pop of kindness in a black and white world. I think that's really cute. I would almost like it to say color, but I think that is really cute. And you have a lot of like, you're going to see like, if you have like the happy quotes or you look back, like you're going to see these stickers a lot in the historicals, but it's nice to have them all in one place too. Also, if you're traveling, I feel like these sticker books can be some of the best to take with you because you do get a little bit of everything in them. And that makes it really nice because you get full boxes, you get extra boxes, you get icons, you get bill pays, you get shopping, you get a little bit of everything. So you do not have to worry about, and these are some more of those triangles that are, you don't have to worry about, like needing to pack individual stickers. Like you get a little bit of everything in the sticker book. So that's really nice. Make a habit. Work schedule. Love, love, love. Network it, girl. I love that. That is so cute. These are so cute. Like this next week, I'm so going to use that sticker. Network it, girl. Love it. All right, so that is the I Heart Stickers giant sticker. Guys, there's so much. They have released so much. But here's what I'll say. There's no wrong answer as far as which one you're going to choose. I think that I prefer this one a little bit to this one just because some of the stickers that are in it, but there really is no wrong answer. I think you're getting a great value, and if you get both, you're getting an incredible value. Probably don't need to buy stickers like ever again in your life. These are great to share with kids. I know what you're thinking. Why would you share your stickers with your children? But some people do, and these are great to share with them. So all in all, you can't go wrong. Use a coupon. Don't pay retail. There's no reason to. You have coupons available for a reason. You can use them. Make sure you do. And I am very pleased at the results of them. So I'm so glad you're here watching this video with me today. It's probably, you know, this is like planner release season, so you're going to see a lot of stuff coming out and a lot of people setting up stuff. Make sure you stay tuned here. And if you'd like to see more flip-throughs and videos of things I've done in the past, you can click the link on the screen. Thank you so much for tuning in, and let me know if you're going to pick one of these up. All right, I'll see you next time.